First Thessalonians
First Thessalonians
chapter 4
chapter 4
9 to
9 to
18.
18.
Now concerning brotherly love,
Now concerning brotherly love,
you have no need for
you have no need for
anyone
anyone
to write to you,
to write to you.
for you
For you
yourselves
yourselves
have been taught by God
have been taught by God
to love one another.
to love one another.
For that indeed is
Indeed is
what you are doing to
what you are doing to
all the brothers
all the brothers
throughout Macedonia.
throughout Macedonia.
But we urge you,
But we urge you,
brothers,
brothers,
to do
to do
this more
this more
and more,
and more,
and to aspire
and to aspire
to live quietly,
to live quietly,
and to mind
and to mind
your own affairs, and to work
and to work
with your hands,
with your hands
as we instructed you,
as we instructed you,
so that you may walk
so that we may walk
properly
properly
before outsiders,
before outside
and be
and be
dependent on no one.
dependent on no one.
But we do not want you
But we do not want you
to be uninformed,
to be uninformed,
brothers,
brothers,
about those
about those
who are asleep,
who are asleep,
that you may not grieve
that you may not grieve
yet as others
as others
do
do
who have no hope.
who have no hope.
For since
For since
we believe that
we believe that
Jesus died
Jesus died
and rose again,
and rose again,
even so,
through Jesus
God will bring with him
God will bring with him
those who have fallen asleep.
those who have fallen asleep.
For this
For this
we declare to you
we declare to you
by a word
by a word
from the Lord,
Lord
that we
that we
who are alive,
who are alive,
who are left
who are left
until the coming of the Lord,
until the coming of the Lord,
will not precede
will not precede
those
those
who have fallen asleep.
who have fallen asleep.
For the Lord himself
For the Lord himself
will descend from heaven
will defend from heaven
with a cry of command,
with a cry of command,
with the voice of an archangel,
with the voice of an archangel,
and with the sound of the trumpet of God.
and with the sound of the trumpet of God.
And the dead in Christ will rise first.
And dead in Christ will rise first.
Then we
Then
who are alive,
who are alive,
who are left,
will
be caught up together
be caught up together
with them
with them
in the clouds to meet the Lord
in the clouds to meet the Lord
in the air.
in the air.
And so
And so
we will always be
we will always be
with the Lord.
with the Lord.
Therefore, encourage one another
Encourage one another
with these words.
with these words.